What's up, ninjas? Congratulations on completing the previous video for day 6 on the exchange module. Now it is time to put new knowledge to the test with a few multiple choice questions. Feel free to re-watch the previous video to bolster your understanding of this topic based on how you go in this quiz. Ready? Let's begin. First question. EVM smart contracts can interact with the exchange module via, and the options are the exchange module precompile, or bridge contracts, or deployed swap contracts. I'll give you a moment to think of the answer. And the answer is the exchange module precompile. That was the main point of this entire this entire deck, right? So the exchange module is a native module within Injective and is not normally accessible from EVM, right? How would it talk? So the precompile basically exposes that interface in a manner that EVM can interact with it. That's essentially what it is. And I strongly encourage you to check out this repo, which has several code examples on using the exchange precompile. Next question. What does the Injective exchange module mainly provide? The options are a smart contract wallet system, or a native on-chain order book and matching engine, and a liquidity mining program. I'll pause for a bit while you think of the answer. And the answer is a native on-chain order book and matching engine. So it is not a smart contract wallet system at all, right? That's not what the exchange module does. And neither does it have anything to do with the liquidity mining program. Those are both things that can exist on Injective, but they are separate or independent of the exchange module. So what the exchange module does is it stores orders like buy bids and sell bids. And when they match, it happens on-chain, right? So the bids are stored on-chain, the matching happens on-chain, everything occurs on-chain, which is, I guess, unique within the blockchain space, because having on-chain order books is not a thing that many other networks are even capable of. All right. So more information about the exchange module, you can find that on the Injective developer documentation. All right. Next question. What does on-chain mean for Injective's order book? The options are the orders are stored off-chain and settled later on-chain, or the orders and matching are part of the blockchain state itself, or only trade history is recorded on-chain. I'll pause for a bit while you think of the answer. And the answer is orders and matching are part of the blockchain state. So in order for the order book to be completely on-chain, that means the buy bids, the sell bids, which are the orders, and the trade settlement as well. Like everything is on-chain as mentioned earlier on. So the other two options imply that certain parts of this happen off-chain, and then post facto, for example, after the buy and sell bids are matched and the trade has occurred, that's when that gets recorded on chain, something like that, right? So that's not the case in Injective. That may be true for other blockchain networks, but in Injective, using the exchange module, everything is on chain. So to find out more about this, check out the Injective blog on the order book, as well as check out the DeFi developers section within the developer docs. Now, you have tested your knowledge with a quick quiz, and I would like to know if you have got the questions right or if there's anything that you were not sure of. So if you'd like to clarify anything or have any other questions, just drop them in the comment section below. All the links for the resources mentioned will be provided in the description below as well. Now, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. But before you go, note that this is a preview edition of the video that is part of the 7 Days of Injective course. We're creating the full version of the course with all of the bells and whistles, and if you watch this far, I'm sure that you'll be keen on that too. So do sign up using the form by scanning the QR code or clicking on the link in the description of this video. For now, on to the next video.